Hi and welcome to today's class of Vedic astrology. Today we will be learning about an extremely rare but highly auspicious yoga. Believe me, this particular yoga is very rare. It's extremely rare, and the nature of this yoga is tremendously auspicious. The name of this yoga is Singhasan Yoga. So Singhasan is a Hindi word. Singhasan means throne, like a emperor, a king sitting in its throne, a queen sitting in her throne. So that throne is referred to as Singhasan in the Hindi. In Hindi. So today we will be discussing about Singhasan Yoga and how this Singhasan Yoga is formed. So this combination is very rare, as I had said. Singhasan Yoga, a practitioner of Vedic astrology will be able to understand that Singhasan Yoga will form in a particular Lagna chart when all of the planets, not Rahu and Ketu. So Rahu and Ketu is not included whenever I'm referring to all of the planets in this aspect. So when all of the 7 planets are placed in the second house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th house. So all of the planets are scattered anywhere and they are placed between or among the second house, 2nd, 6th, 8th and 12th. Then this particular yoga will definitely form. So all of the other houses needs to be empty. Rahu and Ketu can be placed anywhere else. But all of the 7 planets, whatever 7 planets are there, they need to be scattered among 2nd house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th house. In these 4 houses, they need to be scattered. All right. So then this particular Singhasan Yoga will form, and this yoga, as per Vedic astrology, is believed to bring enormous amount of success, luxuries, materialistic gains, fulfillment of desires, everything, like all the good things in life. This particular yoga is expected, or the probability of getting all of those good things happens on a very high note when this particular yoga forms in an individual's Lagna chart. All right. So in this particular situation, you can say the 6th house, 8th house and 12th house, they play a tremendously prominent role or a very significant role in an auspicious manner. All right. Because here, out of the 4 houses, the 3 houses itself are 6th, 8th and 12th, and they are being a part of this very highly auspicious Singhasan Yoga. And this particular yoga becomes even more powerful. You can say it becomes super powerful when the Lagnesh is sitting in the 2nd house. So all of the 7 planets are scattered in the 4 houses, but the Lagnesh of that particular Lagna chart is sitting in the 2nd house. Alright, there might be other planets sitting too, but the Lagnesh is also placed in the 2nd house. Then this particular Singhasan Yoga becomes very powerful in nature. So this was a very small concept, a very crisp concept, but it is a very important concept and a very rare phenomena that Singhasan Yoga happens in a particular Lagna chart. All right. So this is what I wanted to discuss about this particular topic of Singhasan Yoga, to explain to you, to give you the proper and accurate information about how a proper Singhasan Yoga is forming, or how a practitioner of Vedic astrology will be able to understand that yes, looking at a Lagna chart, that yes, in this particular situation, Singhasan Yoga is happening or it is not happening. So this is how you need to understand, because I hope you also will be a practitioner of Vedic astrology as soon as you are completely thorough and proficient with all of the topics that I am teaching in this particular YouTube channel. Once you complete all of the classes with sincerity, with honesty, and with regular and very sincere practice, then you will definitely become a good practitioner. So again, I hope you are watching all of my classes. I hope you are watching all of my classes, all of my videos over and over again till the time you're absolutely confident in that particular topic. And watching should not be the only thing that you are doing for this particular YouTube channel. Whatever you're learning from my classes, practice it in your own. Do your homework, practice it in your own, practice it in different Lagna charts, practice it in different charts, so that you will be able to understand, yes, whatever I am learning, I'm able to transform, or I'm able to, share those learnings. I'm able to apply those learnings. I'm able to implement those learnings in practice. So then you will be able to know, or then you will know that you are becoming closer and closer to become a very, very efficient and a very good practitioner of Vedic astrology. And that will only happen when you watch all of my classes, you watch each and every detail of my each and every class. Then only you will be completely thorough about this entire world of Vedic astrology. So before you go, before you say goodbye for today's class, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like my videos, share my videos. And if you have any doubts, any queries, any questions related to the topics of Vedic astrology, related to whatever I am teaching, please share those doubts, questions, queries in the comment section, and I will definitely try to answer them and solve your doubts, queries, and questions. I will see you in the next class. Take care and have a nice day.